Hi everybody. You did a great job getting through the first module. I'm really happy with the way that you all respectfully replied to your classmates in the discussion and took some time in replying and reading everyone's entries. That's going to be really important as we move along because you're going to learn a lot from what your classmates read and finding out how they interpreted things, and you might see things a little bit differently. So those discussions become really important as we move forward in our readings. This week we have a holiday on Monday, so nothing will be graded Monday, nothing will be due on Monday, but I will open that module for you the same time if you wanted to look at it. And if you have any missing work, make sure you get that turned in. You can always go back to the module beforehand, the module previous, and finish those for some credit. Everyone seems to be catching up and getting going. If you have any questions, let me know. And again, you're doing a great job. Keep up the good work.